Hello, today our brave research team will show you the science. Arseny will show you the features of a non-Newtonian fluid. Ilya will explain how you can attach a rope to a piece of ice without using glue. And a secret guest will simply make some magic. Let's start!
Hello! Today we will do something unusual. We will stick a rope into a piece of ice. For this, we need some water, a piece of ice, the rope itself, and some table salt. First, we need to dip the ice into the water. Next, we put the rope onto the ice. One second, please. The only thing left is to sprinkle the small amount of salt onto the ice with the rope and wait. We now pull the rope out and magic! In fact, everything works here according to the usual laws of physics. Salt warms up to 5 degrees and the thread goes inside a piece of ice. Then the melted water freezes again and the thread freezes into a piece of ice. Hope this experiment surprised you.
Hello! Today I want to tell you and perform a series of experiments with a non-Newtonian fluid. For those who don't know what it is. A non-Newtonian fluid is a fluid that doesn't follow Newton's law of viscosity. What it is? A constant viscosity independent of stress. What do we need to conduct the experiment? Starch, water, any loose container, and that's all. We just need to mix the ingredients until it becomes a texture of sour cream. After obtaining the desired consistency, we can conduct an experiment.
Прошло много времени. Прошло очень много времени.
All liquids, what we know, are divided into two types: Newtonian liquids and non-Newtonian liquids. The main difference between them is that non-Newtonian fluids have a constant viscosity, while non-Newtonian fluids have a variable viscosity. The viscosity of liquid is an indicator of resistance to deformation at given velocity. How does it work from scientific point of view? A non-Newtonian fluid is a fluid in which viscosity depends on the velocity gradient. Typically, such liquids are highly inhomogeneous and consist of large molecules forming complex spatial structures. It's interesting fact that non-Newtonian liquids are often used in life, for example, in medicine, in technologies, and also in cosmetics.
Welcome to my little alchemical laboratory. I heard that almost everyone dreamt to become
A real magician.
But is it possible? As a real alchemist, I can say that it is possible. I can help you to become a fire mage with the help of alchemy. Let's create a real fireball. To create a fireball, we need a thread, several cotton pads, and an antiseptic. Are you excited? First, we need to wrap a cotton circle with thread until it turns into a ball. Then we should pour an antiseptic on this ball and distribute it evenly over the surface. And the last step, we must set it on fire! When alcohol burns, water removes heat from the burning process and moisturizes your hands. Only the one substance burns when another saves you from burns. This phenomenon is called cold flame. It's one of the low temperature types of flame in chemistry. Such flame burns but doesn't burn your hands. This type of flame can be made of many different esters of organic and inorganic acids. The most famous of these is boric acid ethyl ester. Let's add some theory about cold flame. It's a flame having maximal temperature below about 400 degrees Celsius. It's usually produced in a chemical reaction of a certain fuel-air mixture. Contrary to conventional flame, the reaction is not vigorous and releases very little heat, light, and carbon dioxide. It's also used for religious and ritual purposes, fireworks, and various special effects. Now we're prepared to make Fire Nation great again! Hello, sorry, we have some problems with translation. It was a team of gallant experimenters from the Iliadium. Thanks for watching and explore more science with us.